One time, don't have been there with yes. So them two ring and the pan this ring, I'm married with.
Yeah.
But me now no husband now, so if you want me get married to you.
All right.
So anyway, the boy said to me, said two boys said to me, cash your gold mother. Me say, if you fucking cook it, I'm look up with your boy. I mean, I pass man and grab my hand. Grass. And me and him, me hold on under the finger, so me and him, and I try to dig out the ring them out from my finger. And he can't get them out.
Really? And how much that time?
86.
Yeah. 86?
Yes. And in the pin pocket. And take up a nice carving knife to cut off my finger.
What?
Me grab grass wood. And me grab that. Say, mother, you kill me. Say, I kill a rat. And I tell someone I'm fucking hungry. And you know, go here, if you get any picnic yet? He said, no, mother. I say, well, you're not going to get none again, you know. And you're going to yam on that table, you balance, you'll die. And I kill you. And me draw that again, you know. He said, mother, you're going to kill me. I say, I kill a rat. And I tell someone I'm fucking cooking, I'm not hungry. And me draw that again the third time, you know, the boy. And every fucking thing come up in my hand, so. And he just drop down the ground. So you fuck, I'm not telling I kill your ass, man. I want man who went from was Simmons Plaza and give him one lick in my face. I don't know his head, and take off, you know. He said, well, I go call police. I said, no, pretty boy. I seen that him dead in can't see him. You understand? The man give me $1,000, so I must take you go buy a drink for me to active for me yet.
86?
86.
And destroy a young boy?
Two young green boy.
Defeat them.
Ramp with me.
Defeat
Oh, they want a ring?
Want me two ring. This is for my husband and this is for me. My husband passed up 2010.